I need a bot for that. That's one of the biggest requests we get in the AI space. I need something automated, or I have a frustration point where I don't have the personnel to do this. I need to scale fast. That's where Krista Software comes in.
Welcome to New Suppliers on the Block. This series brings you closer to the newest suppliers in the portfolio, showcasing what they offer and how it can strengthen your conversations and customer outcomes. Let's jump in.
My name is Jason Kaufman. I am the Principal Solutions Architect. So Krista Software is that AI agent space, but not thinking in just CX. Think of somebody that's going to do any type of manual work to where they're taking data from one application, moving it to another. They're taking documents that are being scanned in, and they're performing optical character recognition to be able to see what's on that document, index it, and put it into some form of repository to where you can do some form of action on it. Krista can do that to where you're building those agents that are doing each step of that way for a full robotics process automation, doing it very fast and very highly capable. So you don't have to come in and do a complete custom build on everything. That was kind of the limitation before in the channel. Now we have stuff that's mostly readily there. So instead of having to find out, hey, we need to go to N8N, or we need to go to Microsoft Copilot, we need to go to Workato, something that has a platform that's limited in certain areas, Krista does this at a highly capable solution. And they do it to where they can integrate with many of the large language models if something needs to be generated or understood. They could do that from like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, a lot of those foundational models, or they have their own that's built on their own infrastructure if you want to get more cost effective. So think of Krista Software for anything from enabling bots and agents to robotics process automation, and then building something that allows customers to scale quick and fast. Krista Software is the answer there.